Hey, what's up, fellow techs? Let's get real. Being a field technician means you're the person everyone calls in a crisis. Blue screens, dead networks, lost files, you've seen it all. But here's the secret. The difference between a hero fix and a wasted afternoon? It's all about having the right toolkit. Today, I'll break down the essential gear every IT field tech should carry. Whether you're just starting out, or you've been crawling under desks since dial-up, this checklist will keep you ready for anything. First, let's talk hardware tools. I never leave home without a good set of screwdrivers. Phillips, flathead, and don't forget the Torx and hex drivers for those weird screws manufacturers always use. Precision and magnetic tips save lives, trust me. Needle nose pliers and wire cutters, absolutely necessary for cable wrangling and small part rescues. Anti-static tweezers and a spudger will help you handle delicate components without turning them into expensive paperweights. And a bright LED flashlight, because server rooms are never well lit. Now, let's get specialized. A solid multimeter is magic for testing power supplies and tracing voltage problems. Loopback plugs are a must for network and USB port troubleshooting. For motherboards, a post-diagnostic card can tell you more in seconds than hours of guessing. Don't forget a hard drive enclosure for quick data recovery, and always use an ESD wrist strap to protect sensitive gear. Next up, software and diagnostics. I keep a bootable USB loaded with Hiren's Boot CD, Ultimate Boot CD, and Clonezilla for imaging. D-Band for secure data wipes. For Windows, Memtest 86 catches RAM issues, and Crystal Disk Info keeps tabs on hard drive health.